So those potatoes good, y'all. Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you do not know me, I am Taisha Renee, and thank you so much for being here. Today's video is going to be a little different. I don't shoot tourist vlogs, but it's my birthday tomorrow, so we're gonna celebrate. But this is the inspo. It is currently 5:11. My brothers have a award ceremony at 7:30. Like, I just got so much to do. Okay, y'all, change your plans. I'm actually gonna dry my hair first because I thought the award ceremony was at 7. My mom just came and told me it said 6. My hair look like a wet dog. Okay, y'all, I'm stressing. Like, when I got home, it was so late. It is still late. 6. Nothing's going my way. I literally had to just slap this wig on, and I wanted to actually do curls, and I can't even do curls because it's just like time is not on my hand, on my side. I got hair in the morning, 7 a.m. and it's just like I'm just really frustrated, y'all. I just did everything on camera. Like, I snatched the wig on, flat ironed it, and I did my makeup. These are the balloons. I did like a pink because this is the inspo, and luckily my mama has like this balloon pumper, so we're gonna do that. This is the final result of everything. It was a hassle. It looks chaotic right now, but like when you see the pictures, the only thing that I don't really like is my ceiling fan right there. I'm just gonna sit you guys up here because I'm gonna be using my phone to take my pictures, and if you ever want to take your own pictures, you need to download Lens Buddy. Lens Buddy is a sub timer. It's gonna take your pictures until you want it to stop, and that's how we do things nowadays. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all the cake my mama did, and we got this. This is my cake. It is so pretty, y'all. My mama made this cake. She is very talented. She makes cakes, so if you guys want a cake, you know, I messed up my own letters, y'all. She ain't did that, but look at the detail on this cake, y'all. Okay, hey y'all, stop Bryson, I got it. So this is my cake, guys. Happy birthday. Say hey. Oh, you know that Bryson needs the smallest of cake. No. Y'all, my mama made this cake, so if you guys want to get birthday cake done, I will have her social media. I did fall asleep last night, so nothing is done. My hair is not done, my nails are not done, my toes are not done, so yeah. I was tired. As you can see, I look crazy. On today's to-do list, I have to do hair, I have to do nails, toes, arch eyebrows, and my lashes. But let's just get into it. I'm not gonna ramble all morning. I just want to know why it's called a quick weave, because ain't nothing quick about it. Ain't nothing quick about it. And I never done my own quick weave before, except for like half up, half down, but I never done a full one by myself. To mold your quick weave, you gotta do this, and I already had some here. I wasn't sure, and I brought this last night, y'all. This little bottle is $14. That's crazy, y'all. I finally got the tracks in. Like I told y'all, I don't know why they call it a quick weave because there is nothing quick about this, but I think I'm doing pretty good. The tracks are in. Spray some spritz on there. The only thing I was really concerned about was cutting the bob, cutting it. Hair check. Okay, so hair is done. The back, I still gotta do a little flat ironing, y'all. I couldn't really see back there, but I did better than what I thought I would, considering that I can't really see back there. But this is the bob. So next is toes. I'm going to do my toes and then my nails, and then I'm gonna shower, do my brows and my lashes, and that's gonna be my birthday maintenance. I'm trying to be a baddie on a budget. We had found these at the hair store last night, and we're gonna try it out because I don't really know how this gonna come out, y'all. So, and then for my nails, this is the inspo, and I found these at the hair store as well, y'all. So let's get into it. Make it shorter, but right now this is what it is. The BTR box nails that you guys see on TikTok that is like viral, because these are the most natural nails ever. Let me show y'all. I'm not gonna talk too much. These are the nails, and I actually got these sent to me, y'all. Like, this so crazy. Being a content creator has a lot of perks, honestly. Your builder gel and your top coat, and they also have the gel glue, but I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use regular glue. And they also put your light in here. Then so the inspo, I'm going to put pearls on them, so we're just going to do that. And I'm just excited, y'all. So let's do this. This is how they look without even putting on my top coat yet. This is how they look, y'all. So guys, these are the nails. I am so tired. I don't know if y'all can see my bags on my eyes, but I'm tired. And they came out so cute, y'all. Just exactly how I wanted it. All this left, so nails, check. So all this left is for me to do my lashes over and my brows, and we are good to go, guys. So I will see you guys tomorrow, because it is currently 2:34 a.m. Yes. Yeah, so see y'all tomorrow. It is officially the next day. I had a busy morning. Well, not really a busy morning, but my package still did not come, y'all. It still did not come. Let me not get so riled up again, because y'all, that really made me upset. Like, I had to go this morning and try to find something to wear. I'm supposed to go to Charlotte this weekend. Every single outfit is in there, and me and my mom and my brother are supposed to take pictures in the morning. The outfit was in there too, but this is supposed to be a maintenance vlog. So lashes are done, as you guys can see. I'm just going to fill them in a little bit more. So lashes, check. Always clean y'all brows before you arch them. If you don't know what you're doing, I suggest you do not do this at home. Okay, and these are my eyebrows now. They was looking horrible. I like thin eyebrows, and as you can see, I just cut my eyebrow, but we don't even care. Like, I'm just like, it'll grow back. It'll grow back, but okay, guys, that is the brows. I'm gonna promise. Do y'all want to continue this vlog? Cause I'm about to go to my boyfriend's graduation. Like, we can stay on here together if that's what y'all want to do. Skincare is definitely important before doing your makeup, because you want to glow under that makeup. You don't want dry skin. You don't want ugly. So we're not going to give ugly. Y'all, this is some good oil. This oil that I got, what was sent to me, it is Navi Rose Hip Face Oil. And as you can see, this just gave me a good glow. And I have bags under my eyes because, y'all, I went to sleep 3 o'clock. Like, 3 o'clock. I went to sleep like 3 o'clock. And then if you don't have CeraVe in your routine by now, what are you doing? Although I will say that different products work differently for different people. So that is definitely like a true fact, like something I learned myself. And then, even though it's winter, y'all, the sun is still out. Even though it's winter, the sun is still out. Put y'all sunscreen on. My life before sunscreen, I can't really say my skin was bad, because it wasn't. But I have noticed, like, it was a difference. And I want a long time difference, like, in the long run, and not just right now. So, yeah, I'm still obsessed with how my nails came out. Yeah, they came out so good. But as you all know, we hit 2,000 subscribers. Like, that's crazy. I'm going to sit out all my makeup because I just want to have everything together so I can just get it, grab it, and go. Something I've been working on is trying not to have my room looking like a hurricane after I finish getting ready, y'all. Like, it is a struggle for real. I don't know why I got to do all of that. Like, it don't take all that, Taisha. Now I can't even find my foundation brush. Oh, here we are. I like, y'all, using clean stuff is a must. I will not say that I don't use unclean things, but it makes a huge difference in your makeup. Definitely a huge difference. Do you guys want a video of me doing like a soft makeup look? I did have people comment on my Instagram that they wanted me to do that, and I think I will. Like, girl, you could have did a video just now. just slow. When you are a content creator, you have to learn how to batch content. You need to make multiple videos in one day so you won't be getting burnt out, because that is what happened to me last week. This is pretty much my look. I just gotta figure out which outfit I'm wearing, and then we gotta do some highlight. And yeah, the look is, what time is it? And it's 4:18. We're good on time. I still have to wrap his present. I don't know, I just feel like doing one today. Yesterday's graduation, so my man graduated yesterday. Me and my family take pictures today. Me, my mom, and my brothers at 11, y'all. I'm so tired. It's 8:27, so I have to get up because I have to do my makeup and get my outfit together. I just want to say that this concludes my maintenance vlog. It's me and my boyfriend's birthday weekend, so we are going to Charlotte today. After everything, we leave today, we come back Monday. Today's Saturday, so yeah, this concludes the maintenance vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if y'all are like DIY people at home, or y'all just go ahead and spend the money. I just think that going into 2024, you need to know how to do something yourself. At least something. Your lashes, nails, something. I'm still in love with how mine came out, because these look really good. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video with a friend, because maybe she want to start, or maybe he want to start doing things at home himself, herself. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.